Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning about proxy server. Before that, just subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Now we will see what is proxy server. A proxy server is an application running on a server or computer which acts as a mediator between your system and the website or any other internal resources. Now this application can be installed in your own computer or anywhere between the computer and the server on the internet. Now there are two types of proxy server, open proxies and reverse proxies. We will see today what is open proxies. Here you can see how a user is accessing the website abc123.com without using proxy. As user is directly connected to website, the website can easily get user's IP address. Using IP address, website can come to know about user's geolocation, cache detail, OS details, etc. Now this is a big threat to the user's system and data. Now as user's IP address is available in public network, hacker can easily hack the system and can get users data. Now by using proxy server, user can hide IP address from public network. Here you can see user's IP address 1.2.3.4 gets changed to another IP address 4.5.6.7 which is provided by the proxy server itself. Now the website abc123.com don't know who the user is and from where the request is coming from. Website can now only provide response to the user without getting user's detail. On the other side, we see another system is connected to the website without proxy server and its system is getting compromised. Now we will see what are the benefits of proxy server. By using proxy server, user's IP address is hidden and protected, which will make user look anonymous, and doing this it provides additional security. Now we will look how proxy server provides faster response using cache. Here you can see the example of how IP address is changed, thereby protecting the identity of user. But apart from just changing IP address, proxy server also saves the response from website in its internal system cache. Now which response to save, it depends on the rules configured in proxy server. Let's say here the response is saved. Now let's say here user has accessed the website and the response is saved in the cache itself. Now when another user accesses the same website, the response is fetched from the proxy server's cache and it will be then provided to the another user, thereby saving the response time. Now we will see how it helps to access blocked website and content. Let's say you want to access a website and the internet has blocked that website. What will happen here? You won't be able to access the website or its resources. But if you know which proxy server are available on the internet, then you can access that proxy server and then using it you can access the website easily. Now we will see another benefit. It helps organization to ban or block websites. Now in many companies, social sites or private emails are not allowed or kept blocked. Here you can see company has its own proxy server set up in its internal network. Now they can either block the website and the external proxy sites too. By doing this, you won't be able to access the website as external proxies are too blocked. Along with some advantages, there are few limitations of proxy server. It keeps track of your online activity. Now let's say you bypass network and access the website using proxy server. As it keeps response from website in its internal cache, it will also store your online activity as to which all sites you are accessing and can also save your credentials too. This depends from proxy to proxy, as all proxy server may not keep track of your online activity. The another limitation is Encryption problem. Many proxy servers encrypt your request and response. They do this mostly by using SSL certificate. But still, hacker can easily decrypt the data even after having SSL certificate. Today, many proxy servers provide additional security too, but at the end, it depends on which one you are using to access the website. Now, these are some of the best proxy servers available. I have included few of them. There can be others too. Foreverproxy.com, proxysite.com, hide.me.com, whoever.net. As we saw limitations of proxy, among which data can still be decrypted. So to resolve this issue, we can make use of VPN. Consider VPN as a kind of pipe which connects user to the website, thereby protecting your data and privacy. Whatever you access on the internet will go through the VPN. Now, as I said, everything will be accessed using VPN, which means VPN has to access of your data, which may not be possible in proxy. As in proxy, you can access website or resources which you want. Consider in this way, when you want to search something, we go to Google and type whatever you want to search and then click on the link which is provided by Google. But if you know the website already, you will directly open it rather than going to Google. Now here, Google will not come to know which website you have opened unless you have gone through Google. However, if you are connected to VPN, then VPN will know all your activity even if you have accessed website without making use of Google. Major benefit of VPN is the security. It helps in protecting our data through its internal security features. In the diagram, you can see mobile and another laptop is two connected using VPN. All the data will pass through VPN and then you can access the website or any other resources. Another difference between proxy and VPN is, let's say you are working in some company and there they have installed proxy in their own network. So all your requests will go through proxy, but as your mobile is not connected to proxy, you can access to any blocked website, thus not allowing proxy to save data accessed using mobile. But if there is a company VPN and you are connected to the VPN using company provided VPN mobile app, all your requests and data including mails and social data may be available to company VPN, which then may be stored somewhere in their own system. This is all about proxy server and some more detail about VPN which was given. Hope you have liked this video and do share and comment here. Thank you.